Today we're making lemon popcorn. Today we're going to be making lemon popcorn, and to do that we're using this Gold Medal Corn Treat Lemon Concentrate. This is a Gold Medal product. We basically only have to use 1.5 tablespoons of this. We're going to be using 3 cups of popcorn kernels, 1.5 cups of corn oil, and 1.5 cups of sugar. And we're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of compound S. This will help get all of those sugars to stick to that popcorn really nice. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. Today we're making this lemon popcorn in our kettle corn machine. If you are interested in making one of these for yourself, just like we did, there's a link down in the description where you can get those plans. Also, just a reminder, down in the description are links to all the products we're using here today. We also have a free recipe book down in the description. There's a link to that, so check it out. All right, we're starting to pop now. We're going to add in 1.5 cups of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon glaze, and 1.5 tablespoons of compound S. Get that mixed up. You can really smell that lemon. It smells really citrusy. It smells really good. Oh yeah, you can really smell that little sour lemon. That's really good. That compound S starts to make this foam up. Whenever you add compound S to any of these types of recipes, you'll always see that foam up. Nothing to worry about, it's just what that does. There we go, now we're popping. It's way hot right now, so we need to cool that down. We're going to mix it up, get all those unpopped kernels out of there through our little portable sifter there. This is a product that we purchased from kettlecornmachine.com. It's just a portable stainless steel sifter that goes in the bottom of this 15-inch food safe bin. Oh yeah, you can smell the lemon on that. It needs to cool down more, but you can really smell that citrus. All right, so we have our lemon popcorn here. Let's take a couple pieces out. Still hasn't quite cooled down completely yet, but you can see the nice coating on there. Looks really good. Let me smell it. Yeah, it smells like lemon. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, it's like a nice lemon citrus flavor. It's not my favorite flavor because I'm not a huge fan of lemon, but I could see how this could be a favorite to some people, and it's kind of refreshing. If you want to make some of this yourself, there's links to all the products we used here today. So get out there and get popping.